Hi everybody, it's Professor Law here. I am attempting again to record myself. I'm on something called Screencast-O-Matic, so I'm hoping this will work. And we'll see how things progress. And so right now I'm making a video to walk you through the PowerPoint that I made. And then I'm going to make another video with some activities so you can do your work at home. The first slide, I just have a quote there about creative drama. Let's go to the second slide where I have some updates about how we're going to do this work. There'll be no mini lessons due right now. We'll wait and see how things progress, and then I'll try to figure out a way how we can all share some work online if it comes to that. There's a new schedule, so I have an order of different lessons for different days. So take a look at the new syllabus that I posted. So the reading will be different week to week, because some lessons will just be easier online than others, even though this kind of work is not easy online. There's a new participation worksheet, so after you watch this video and go through the PowerPoint and watch the activities, then there's 4 questions that will be on that worksheet that you will copy and paste into the assignment section, and that will be your participation credit. And then these are asynchronous lessons, so you can watch these videos at home at your own time. I just would like you to get the work done within 3 days of the class. Okay, I have a little bit about myself there, and then I have some information about arts integration. So what arts integration is, and it's actually teaching 2 subjects at one time. So it's not using arts to teach a subject, but it's actually teaching 2 subjects simultaneously. So true arts integration is that. So you can flip through those slides. I also posted a packet that I would really like you to look at from the Kennedy Center, and on slide 11 has the definition of what the Kennedy Center's definition is of arts integration. And so my first question is for you to redefine that, that definition in your own words. And then reading that packet will also help you. I have it here. So it looks like this. And I'd really recommend that you look through that. Something else on the packet is this checklist. And so on slide 12, I have a sample of that. But as you start writing your lessons, this is just a checklist to make sure that your lessons are actually integrated, arts integrated. So for example, the first question on here is, are learning principles of constructivism evident in my lesson? By reading this packet, you'll learn what constructivism is, but it's experiential learning, evolving, it's collaborative, it's problem solving. So you're just making sure that you are doing these things. So it's a really nice checklist as a teacher. All right, on slide 13 is your next participation question. So I'm just wondering what kinds of experiences you have had in drama in your life. So creative drama, we're talking about creative play, making up stories. Did you make up stories with your cousins when you were little? Did you do a skit in a summer camp? Are you helping out with a play right now? Do you help guide kids in their creative play on the playground, or babysitting? So those are the kinds of things I'm looking for, just to kind of get a sense of where you're at with this. All right. So basically, creative drama is naturally what kids do anyway. So they get together and they make up stories, and they make forts, and they pretend their stuffed animals are having a tea party. That's all creative play, and that's what creative drama is. So creative drama is not writing a play and performing it on a big stage. It's really just fostering and guiding where kids are with their imaginations, and it's what we do naturally as humans anyway. So on slide 16, I'm asking you to define these things. So creative drama is kind of the umbrella for all these different definitions. Process drama, drama and education, role playing, forum theater, drama therapy, and theater and education. So all these forms of creative drama are not to be performed and presented for anybody. These are all different formats for learning. So I'm asking you to define one of them, and these are all in your textbook. So they're in the chapters that you read in your textbook, and I'm asking you to define who is involved in them, what kinds of activities do you do in them, or what's the process for those, and then why do we do those different structures? What are the different structures used for? So what is process drama used for? What is drama therapy used for? So that's your third question. On slide 17, I have just a bunch of different resources for you to use and websites for you to go to. There's lots of different activities that you can research. I hope that you can look through those and kind of get some ideas as we move forward. Okay, I'm going to kind of stop this video and post another one in a second about different activities. But real quick, going to the last part of the PowerPoint, page 27 is your discussion question. I've already seen some of you guys come in with some, so thank you for that. It's fun to see what you think of play. And your question on your worksheet number 4 is based on watching the exercises that I'm going to post. How would you use them in the classroom with another subject area? So I'm just curious what you think based on what you know so far and based on your teaching so far. All right, I'll see you in the next video.